Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Beats Solo Pro. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $300. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to answer two important questions. Number one, are these worth $300? And number two, should you buy these or add an extra $50 and get the Studio 3s? Let's find out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white.
calm down. All right, here we go. Beats Solo Pros, $300. Now these come in 6 different colors. Let's go through the features real quick. Now these are inspired by Pharrell Williams. All right, shout out to Pharrell. You got pure adaptive noise cancellation, pure ANC. You got transparency listening mode. Battery life up to 22 hours with active noise cancellation turned on and 40 hours with active noise cancellation turned off. Now these also feature fast fuel, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours worth of playtime. You got your on-air controls for music and calls and a built-in microphone for your voice calls. Anything else? Got a quote from Pharrell. What do they sound like? What do they look like? Do they help you express yourself? Get them and create answers. We got them. Let's create some answers. All right, so we got Spider-Man on deck. Here we go. Rah. Let's see what it is. Now, like I said, they come in 6 different colors. I went with the red. Okay, Solo Pros. Got your Beats logo on the front. Let's open these up. Okay. Now, this is a new kind of presentation. All right, so you got a soft shell case. Let's see anything else. Accessories. Okay. All right, I like this. Let's see, this slides out. So you got a carabiner hook, and you got a USB-A to lightning adapting cord. Okay, let's see anything else. Now this should be your usual books and shit. Why not? Usual books, why not? Plug them and file them. And of course, you got your Beats Troll stickers. Let me save those. Anything else? That's pretty much it. More books. All right, so that's it. All right, shoes, scoot, scoot. Okay, let's open this up. Now, like I said, I went with the red. Okay, let's see. Now, these are actually turned on and off when you unfold them. So to power them on, just unfold them and they power up. Okay, inside, soft material on this one. Kind of has a wool feel to it with your Beats logo. Pretty much it. All right, so I'll pause the video. I'll grab a phone. We'll pair these up and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I was just about to start my usual testing, and then I realized there's something about these headphones that I don't like. Check this out. Here's my Studio 3s. Here's my Solo Pros. Take a look at the bottom. Notice anything missing? There's no 3.5 millimeter input. So what does that mean? If you're taking a flight and you want to connect to the airplane, you're going to have to buy a separate cable. Now, for $300, Apple should have put that in the box. Now, I went on Amazon. I found a few of them. This is what they look like. You're going to need a 3.5 to lightning adapter cable. They go for about $30. Again, for $300, that should have been in the box. Now, with the Studio 3s, notice you got a hard shell case, but it comes with the cable. All right, so I don't like that. Next, let's talk about build quality. Now here's a quick size comparison. The Studios are definitely a little bit bigger and a little bit heavier, but not by much. Okay, so on one side, these are going to be your touch controls. All right, so you got play and pause, volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks. Here's your lightning adapter input. This is going to be your multifunctional button. That's how you're going to turn from transparency mode to noise cancellation. And that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, these actually turn off when you fold them up. When you want to turn them on, just unfold them. All right, so let's pair them up. Now, for the pairing process, the same as all of the other Apple products, all you got to do is open up your iPhone, unfold the headphones, and wait for them to connect. Just that simple. Next, let's talk about the build quality. These definitely have a premium feel to them. Let's do the stretch test. Maximum stretchage. You got plastic with the metal frame. Now, fully adjustable. Like I said, they fold up and unfold very easily. You got a padded headband with the soft leatherish ear cups. Now, let's do the smell test on these. These smell like if you just became a member of the 9 Trey Bloods. This is that red. Now, on a side note, shout out to 6ix9ine. I'm just kidding. I am not a member of the Bloods. Do not tell on me. Lightweight, very comfortable. Let me slap them on. A little bit of noise isolation. And here's how they're going to look. I love that Beats logo. All right, so let's do a little sound test. All right, so one thing I wanted to mention. Now you can change all of the settings from your headphones or from the phone. Grab your iPhone, you're going to swipe down. Once they're connected, you're going to have another toggle. See the headphones? So if you long press, there's your volume up and down. You can turn noise cancellation on, off, or put it into transparency mode. Okay, so since these are Beats headphones, we're going to try out a song that has a lot of bass. So I got Thought Box queued up, max volume, active noise cancellation turned on, 1 tap for play and pause. Promise I'm not going to sing. Here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. Okay. They sound good so far. All right, here we go. Trying to get up in that thought box. She gon' suck it with a pop rocks. 10 hoes in a drop top. Racks coming in non-stop. Bitch, take off the crop top. This ain't the spot, this a chop shop. 10 hoes in a drop top. Trying to get up in that thought box. Woo! All right. All right, let me wait for the verse. Here we go. With a Richard Millionaire watch. 2,000 bitches in the chop chop. New ass to the titties on that thought. Spend that money with that pussy and that cha cha. Ha! Okay, hold up. Let me pause it. All right, now. Hold up. Am I talking loud? All right. Yo, these sound pretty good. All right, these sound pretty good. But the question is, are they worth $300 or should you spend that extra 30 and just go with the Studio 3s? Let's find out. All right, so I got my Solo Pros on one side, Studio 3s on the other side. Both connected to an iPhone, max volume, same song, noise cancellation turned on. Let's start off with the Solo Pros. Now keep this in mind. If these sound exactly the same, you're better off getting the Solo Pros and saving $50. Here we go. Okay. Trying to get up in that top box. She gon' suck it with a pop rocks. 10 hoes in a drop top. Racks coming in non-stop. Ooh! Okay. All right. Let's hit pause. Now, I'm gonna throw on the Studio 3s. Here we go. Okay, these are definitely louder. She gon' suck it with a pop rock. 10 hoes in the drop top. Racks coming in non-stop. Okay. Yeah. Let's hit pause. Okay, hold up. Let's hit pause. All right. Are the Studio 3s worth the extra $50? And the answer is yes. All right. These are definitely louder and they got more bass. It's just that simple. So I would advise spending the extra $50. All right, it's not like you're spending an extra 100 or 200. An extra $50 will get you the Studio 3s with your 3.5 input and the cable on deck. It's a no-brainer. All right, let's finish testing the Solo Pros. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you disconnect them? Let's fold them up. Okay, they disconnected. Let's unfold them. 1,000, 2,000, 2 1,000s. That's excellent. All right, so now let's do the range test. Now, on a side note, these are Bluetooth 4.0, not Bluetooth 5.0. But they should still be guaranteed to go up to 30 feet. So we'll try 30 feet, 40 feet, and 50 feet. And let's see if the music drops out. Here we go. Let's hit play. Okay. Let me start walking. Let's go, Shoes. Okay, here's 30 feet. Here's 40 feet. Here's 50 feet. Okay, walking back. Okay, back to 30 feet. Okay, let's hit pause. Now, I just walked all the way to 50 feet. No drop connection. The music was crystal clear. Now, let's check the button controls. One tap for play and pause. That's also going to answer and end your phone calls. Okay, no problems with that. Volume up, press the top. Volume down, press the bottom. Double tap to skip to the next song. Triple tap to reverse. And if you want to activate your voice assistant, hey Siri, what's the weather for tomorrow? Just like that. Now you got your multifunctional button. That'll turn on transparency mode and turn on and off active noise cancellation. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm gonna call up Amaya. Got Solo Pros. Let's get max volume. Here we go. Hi, girlie. What's up? What you doing? Oh, okay. Well, you said that mad fast. All right. I'm testing out some headphones. All right. I got the Beats Solo Pros. How do I sound? All right. Nice and clear. All right. No doubt. All right. So let me ask a question. You want these or not? All right. I'll trade you these. All right. What I need. No, I'm gonna trade you. What I need from you, I need 35 kisses. All right. See, you getting too old now, man. I can't even bribe you like that anymore, man. You getting too old. I don't like all this growing up stuff. All right. Yo, one more question. What happened with the Six Flags All-Stars? They fake moves? They going or not? You spoke to Zori? All right, I'm gonna call you back after this video because y'all playing games. All right. I'll call you back in a minute. All right, bye. Okay. Call quality on these, just like any other Apple product, excellent. All right. Crystal clear. Heard the person in both ears. She had no problems hearing me. A1 status. All right. So now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now, on a side note, I'm going to check YouTube, and then I'll take it over to Netflix. Here we go. Okay. You got to coordinate. No lag at all. Yeah, okay. This is perfect for watching the videos. Let's take it over to Netflix. All right, so now I'm on Netflix. I got one of my favorite shows, Fastest Car. No lag at all. Perfect. 100% no lag. All right, so now I'm going to check transparency mode and active noise cancellation. Now for transparency mode, I'm just going to put these on, go upstairs and try to have a conversation while my music is playing in the background. And for active noise cancellation, I'm going to play some loud music, and I'm also going to sit in the car and see how it works. Now, just in case you're wondering, here's how the car sounds. All right, so here we go. Transparency mode. Perfect. Here's the thing. Now, if you got your music on in the background and you want to have a conversation, you don't have to take the headphones off. All you got to do, turn on transparency mode, put the volume down to about 50%, the mics will kick in, and you'll hear your voice crystal clear. So the transparency mode works on this perfectly. Now, as far as noise cancellation, not the best on the market, but it does work. All right, these sound exactly the same as the Studio 3s, and they're right up there with the Sennheiser Momentums. But if you want the maximum noise cancellation, you got to go with the Sonys or the Bose. These will be perfect for if you're at work and you don't want to hear those keyboards clicking. You're in the gym, you don't want to hear the grunts and the weights clinking around all over the place. No problems with these, all right? Noise cancellation works fine. All right, so now let me answer those 2 questions. Number 1, are these worth $300? And the answer is yes. The build quality is excellent, premium feel, nothing cheap at all. The sound quality is great, nice highs and mids, but these are Beats headphones, so expect them to have a lot of bass. These deliver. No mud in the bass. All right, it's a nice balanced sound, but the bass is punchy, and that's what you expect. Transparency mode works perfectly. Active noise cancellation is pretty good. The call quality is excellent, crystal clear. Bluetooth range, no problems. No lag when you're watching your videos. Battery. Now, this is one of the things that I love about these headphones. The battery life is amazing. All right, 22 hours with active noise cancellation turned on and 40 hours with it turned off. Not to mention, you got fast fuel. Now, that's really not a gimmick. That works on all of my Beats headphones. You charge these up for 10 minutes, you get 3 hours worth of playtime. I love that. Not to mention, half of the people buying Beats are buying them for the look. And these have that classic Beats look. All right, you got your big logo on the side. Very trendy, very stylish. Next question. Should you buy these for $300 or add the extra $50 and get the Studio 3s? Personally, if it was me and my money, I would say spend the extra $50, get the Studio 3s. All right, these are definitely louder. They have more bass, and it comes with the inline cable, which you ain't gonna have to buy separately. Now, keep this in mind. If you buy that cable separately, $30, you're almost looking at $350 already. So you might as well get the Studio 3s. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Beats Solo Pros a major go. But here's the thing. If you got $300 to spend on some Beats headphones, chances are you got $350. Go with the Studio 3s. They're louder, they got more bass, and they come with the inline cable. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the LG G8X.